ready for the finale.
Alright everybody, so finally here in Coimbatore for the finale of the Castrol Power presents India's Ultimate Motor Star on MTV. मेरे पीछे फिनाल पार्टिसिपेंट्स हो रहे हैं तैयार, बाइक्स हो रही हैं तैयार एंड चेन्नई में मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि किस तरीके से दे वर बीइंग ट्रेंड एंड ट्रेनिंग के बाद जो है उनको सिलेक्शंस के लिए भेजा गया था. बट फिलहाल यहाँ पे सिलेक्शंस नहीं हो रहे हैं, यहाँ पे फिनाले हो रहा है. द फाइनल 18 आर फाइनली हियर एंड दे आर रेसिंग इट आउट. 3 रेसेस होंगी, तीनों में से उनको मिलेंगे पॉइंट्स एंड उन पॉइंट्स के बेसिस पे विनर्स होंगे चूज. 3 विनर्स जो कि फिर फाइनली जाने वाले हैं यूरोप to the prestigious Castrol Honda LCR MotoGP training facility. तो फिलहाल मैं कैमरा घुमाता हूँ और दिखाता हूँ थोड़े से participants, थोड़ी सी motorcycles getting ready. Let's go. How is it going, Rajni?
It's very hot, man.
Very hot. Is it hot because you're here on track?
No.
No? How is it like? Are the participants, everybody's having fun? Yeah.
You saw the race, no?
Yeah. It was very close, especially top 4. Yeah. Every corner, one guy is going ahead. Then the second guy is coming.
But there are good fights.
Yeah. Now let's wait for the finale, the final race now.
Again, 10 minutes to start race.
Done. Alright, so it's time for some special safety car stuff. Oh. Alright, so in the BMW 5 Series 100 breaker, taking the apex, hitting the second apex, now the lovely parabola, going on the outer, cutting across, and the long straight. This is the new Curry layout. 2 chicanes and now we brake hard, cutting across, hard braking. Lovely little understeer, but then we got it back. That is fun. From the outer, taking a slightly wider line and some more fun. Back on the main straight and we head to the grid now. And another hard braking. Lovely. Thank you. The motorcycles are finally here from their warm-up lap to their grid spots. That is the top spot right there waiting for its rider, who after warming his tires is now finally going to come here. 8 months of this campaign, inception to the entries to everything, has all come down to this, the final race. So on track they might be fighting for positions, but behind the scenes they're all friends, chilling and sharing water. We've got Fabio from Castrol Honda LCR and Lucy, our team principal. Everybody's giving their best wishes for everyone. Got Mr. Gala, Mr. Yahan. Shweta ji, kya haal aapke? That's the final start. About to happen now. There we go. So right now I'm here at the top of the tower at Curry and you can see behind me, entire track is visible and the action here is insane. We saw some amazing overtakes and whatnot and the guys are just gunning it if you look at it. The weather has been playing hide and seek with us, the sun god. But if I just show you, just look at this. And this here is now the final lap of the race. As you can see, 3 abreast. This checkered flag. Oh, on the line! On the line! And then finally after the race, now all the riders are here. जहाँ पे scrutiny की जाएगी बाइक का वेन किया जाता है, राइडर्स को चेक किया जाता है, और उसके बाद द बाइक्स आर क्लियर्ड ऑफ. नाउ दैट वाज अ वेरी इनसेन रेस दैट वी जस्ट विटनेस्ड. लास्ट कॉर्नर पे मतलब 2 लोग टच हुए, जो थर्ड पे चल रहा था तो भाई साहब उनको ओवरटेक करता है एट द लाइन. दिस इज लाइक द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ यू सी इन मोटो जीपी जो हमने यहाँ लाइव देखी है. अभी फिलहाल नीचे जाते हैं, सर्टिफिकेट्स, ट्रॉफीज पार्टी जाएंगे, और मिस्टर सूरज जो है वापस आ गए हैं. तो फिलहाल ध्यान से नीचे उतरेंगे बिकॉज हम काफ़ी ऊंचे पे हैं और हमारे 13 नंबर के जूते जो हैं ऐसी जगह पे दिक्कत देते हैं. And this is where the scrutiny happens. If we show you, the bikes are being weighed one by one.
So the instruction is if this happen, blow. This happen,
Javier is telling us how the MotoGP race suits, the airbags work.
It blows, but you don't crash.
Like maybe
Very accurate. Very accurate. Every time the rider crash, it's blown. Sometimes it blows anyway.
And before we begin with the winning ceremonies over here, we got our beautiful looking trophies and of course a helmet by Shark. This is a proper MotoGP spec helmet and some bubbly, which I think is non-alcoholic if I'm not wrong. So we're just waiting for everybody to prep so that we begin with the felicitations.
hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. एक मेरे लिए round of applause दे दो. Vice President and Head of Marketing, Castrol India. Cecchinello, Principal, Team Castrol, Honda LCR. Last but not the least, definitely. Thanks, man. And last but not the least, Mr. Rajini Krishnan, 11-time national racing champion. Our favorite.
Such great facility, such good and professional organization, and I want to say that I'm very pleased to be here with you.
Thank you so much.
Is supporting very big way for all the riders, and thanks for all.
And the second runner-up is Surya PM. The first runner-up is Jagdish. For Castrol Power One presents India's ultimate motor star on MTV. Are you guys excited? Well, let's not waste any further time. ये मैं खुद ही कर लेता हूँ यार. Names, anybody? Names? Congratulations.
Something special for the winner, something special that for a rider means something, which is an helmet. But this is not a normal helmet, it's a original helmet used by Johan Zarco, our rider, who arrived 5th in the World Championship.
Set how much for the helmet?
So that was all the action from the Curry Motor Speedway here in Coimbatore for the Castrol Power One presents India's ultimate motor star on MTV. अब मेरे पीछे जो ट्रैक है फिलहाल अच्छे से कूल डाउन हो चुकी है। हो सकता है हम में से कोई जो है उस पर राइड करने भी जाए, बट दिस इवेंट वॉज नॉट अबाउट अस, इट वॉजंट अबाउट us as creators, as riders. It was about all those 10,000 plus entries, all those riders with aspirations to reach to the MotoGP level, जिसमें से 240 select हुए, फिर top 18 यहाँ पे आए, the ultimate 18, अभी भी celebrations चल रहे हैं, उसमें से finally the 3 are selected who are going to Europe to the Castrol Honda LCR MotoGP training facility. फिलहाल मैं जरा sunset enjoy करता हूँ थोड़ा। आई होप ये ब्लॉग आपको पसंद आया हो, थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेटिव, थोड़ा मज़ेदार, काफ़ी रेस एक्शन के साथ। विद दैट सेड, मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, नमस्कार फ्रॉम द करी मोटर स्पीडवे। सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, चाओ।